Batlle, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about inserts from the A plate, B plate, C plate and D plate. As you can see, this is my MBX8 Eco, the e-buggy. This time the insert topic, it works same for Nitro or e-buggy, so I just took my e-buggy from the Battle Cup challenge and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna try to make you understand what I feel with the different inserts with the e-buggy now. So on the A plate, when I go up on the A plate, I feel my car easier to drive on the coming into the corner. So it means when I go up on the A plate, the car is easier, but then into the corner starts to go more inside. The opposite, when I go down on the A plate, my car have more income to the corner, has more steering going into the corner, but then it goes a little bit more outside. And also when I go up on the A plate, also it goes better on the bumps, but I feel more weight transfer when I go up. When the arm is like this, I have more weight transfer. When it's like this, I have less, so it's more stable. And on the B plate, it works opposite, always like this, as I told you. I almost never change my B plate. I always stays in the middle, but sometimes I try to make down or up. So with the same angle, just go down on the front arms or just go up. When I go up, I feel the car balancing less in front. When I go down, I feel the car balance a little bit more. But on upper position, when I go up on A and B plate, I feel it rolls like more suddenly. So it rolls less, but when it rolls more harder than when it rolls when you are down. So this is the main thing it makes that inserts. But as I told you, I always put the B plate on the middle and I change always the A plate going up or down, as I told you before. On the front upper arms, I don't work so much on angles, but I make more than down or up. When I go up on upper arms, I feel my car easier coming into the corner, but then when you're into the corner, it goes a little bit more inside. So, but once again, it's like more unstable steering, so I don't work so much on up. I used sometimes the upper holes on both upper arms when the track is super grippy and bumpy and it's difficult to drive, so I go up, and at least the beginning it's easier and I feel better, but most of the time I go down or middle. With down I feel more steering into the corner. With the pivot ball you need a lot of rotation on the rear, so it helps a little bit to have more rotation. And then I change sometimes the caster going forward to have more steering into the corner and less outside, or going backward, you will have less steering into the corner and you will have more out of the corner on a sweeper or fast corners. You will have more steering when you go backward on the caster. Then you have the C plate. C plate, you can change the anti-squat. So when you have down the C plate, you have less anti-squat, and it means the car will squat a little bit more, so it will make more like this, in this case, going on power. It will have a little bit more roll when you go down, but it will have a little bit more rotation, easier rotation. When you go up on the C plate, you'll have more forward traction, but it will have less rotation, and I feel the rolling, it's harder than it is when you go down. Sometimes when the track is quite grippy, I go down, so it has more rotation, and you have still good traction because it have it has grip. When you go on the C plate up, I use it more for tracks like less grip, but you need to have still good forward traction, but you lose a little bit steering, so you have to take care about this. Also, when you have less anti-squat, on fast bumps you go better, but on small bumps it touches more the chassis to the bump. When you go up on the big bumps, like slow bumps were big, it works better, but on a fast bumps it will move more the rear. On A plate also, when you go up, it works better on the bumps. So when you go like this in front, it will be better on bumps, also because the steering is easier, so you will feel better. On the C plate, Mugen made the +2, +4. It is for the toe in, toe out, like less toe in or more toe in the rear in this case. +2, it means 2 millimeters wider, and +4, 4 millimeters wider. And on the D plate, when you have less toe in, the car will rotate more. This is the basic. And when you have more toe in, the car will rotate less. So sometimes when it's super grippy, I go a little bit more toe in. Why? Because it rolls less harder. I mean, I always feel with a less toe in but grippy track, the car wants to rotate, but as it is a lot of grip on the track, or quite grippy track, then it has grip suddenly, so it rolls so much harder than if you go a little bit more toe in. You will have a little bit less steering, but when you have a lot of grip, you have quite good steering. So when you have more toe in, you will have the car going like easier on the rear and not rolling too much. So when you go not much toe in, like, I don't know, let's say 1 degree toe in or 1.5 degrees with the +4, +2 on the C plate, it has a lot of rotation. It works good on grippy tracks. It's fast, but quite difficult because when you push on the rear, it will roll so hard. So you have to take care on this. So this is what I think about inserts. I hope you understood my English. I know it's not perfect English, but I do my best. So I think this is all. If you have any doubt, question, whatever, just let me know down on the comments, or just send me a message or whatever in any social media from Mugen or from myself, and I will answer you for sure. Maybe it takes a little bit long sometimes, but I always try to answer any question you make. So if you can share that video, please, if you like it. And as I always say, if you didn't like it, share it, and we will help each other for sure, and we will help the RC world to be more together in this time that we're in a bad situation, but for sure we'll come back stronger. So once again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.